Okay, so now that I got my camera turned around, like I said, we're going to call this show and tell. Okay, so I brought this here little toy that I made at home a few years ago, just because I was bored and I needed something to do. It's pretty neat. It was a freewheeling truck that was not operated by mechanics. It's not remote control. It's just a simple push toy. But with a little bit of want, a little bit of no, and so what we did was we got some 12-volt DC motors from eBay with reduction gearboxes on them, with varying shafts and varying RPM speeds. And we were able to take those little motors, and along with a few other components, and turn this freewheeling piece of equipment into something that actually works. And the only thing that I haven't done on it is I never made a live front axle for it so that it could steer. And so today, I brought in the truck, as you can see, and just a bag of miscellaneous parts that I collected. Just junk parts and pieces of RC toys and things like that I had laying around at home. And as you can see back there, we got an old simple 12-volt train transformer. That's going to give us our 12 volts of power to operate these little motors. And so when my kids come in this morning, I'm going to ask them, I always wanted to make a live front axle for this truck that works. One that we can put a steering servo on and work from a 2.4 GZ controller that we'd use for typical RC models. And so I'm going to give them this collaboration of parts, and I'm going to ask them to make me a front axle for this. And so this is going to be episode 1 of Show and Tell today here, September 11th, 2025. And this is what's happening at Lincoln Tech.